7Gen basically works with the electrification journey for our fleets. We are there not only to support them on designing the solution that may be super complicated, but also taking all the risk upfront from the customers in that sense. I'm Gabriela Favero. I work at 7Gen as a director of EV infrastructure. I oversee the project management team from our turnkey solution. We basically take everything out of the hands and the worries of our fleet customers. Most of the worries that they have today is that they have to think through, okay, so how do I begin this journey? One thing that we really try to support our customers is really supporting them on designing the best solution, optimal solution for the customers. So how do we do that? Essentially, we basically do it as a lease-to-own model, for our customers. So we procure the vehicles, the chargers, the infrastructure, and we deploy the infrastructure for our customers. Ampcontrol started with us in the beginning as well for a few deployments. We were basically learning and growing together. We at 7Gen, we still remain agnostic, in terms of the software, but I think it's really important to understand that we work with suppliers that can offer the best features in the market that can address all their requirements in terms of reporting, alerts, and monitoring their chargers. Uptime is a key, I think, for fleet managers because they're ongoing deliveries, and we need to make sure that this is not compromised just because of the electrification journey that they're doing. The features that Ampcontrol provides, they are very good in terms of understanding the general insights of day-to-day operations of a fleet manager and how we actually can get the insights on how we can basically prepare our operations team to react accordingly if needed. In the market, we see a lot of CSMSs that they have, they give you basic insight in terms of your consumption, your basic monitoring. We really wanted to make sure we have a robust system that would allow us to basically pick up on the minor insights, let's say. The ability to monitor, collect data around everything that's going with the fleet. Now with the vehicle integration and the charging integration, I think those are valuable aspects, not only to fix any issues on site, but also to give insights on how we can optimize things with our customers locally as well. This is really fundamental for us, to have that sort of data understanding to instruct our customers, that you start here, you're gonna move to that direction faster using the insights that we're collecting from the platform.